We have filed an affidavit in the court, and we have said that as far as roads in Panji are concerned, by 31st of March, all roads will be made workable, and by the end of June, every work of smart city will be completed, like beautification, footpath, etc.
Is it possible, sir?
It is possible, and it has to be, because there is a timeline that is given to the court, and court has accepted it as an undertaking.
No, but certain areas also extension मागलेले किती आले certain roads आजर बते किती.
No, there are no extensions as of now. The time limit is fixed, and the time limit is, as I mentioned, it is 31st of March to open the roads in all respect, and as far as the rest of the work of beautification is concerned, it will be completed by June.
If they fail to do the work, then what type of action
Then they will be in contempt of the court.
Thank you.
See, legality अशी आसा की सप्टेंबर 24 सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट नवे रुल्स काडल्या. त्या रुल्सा प्रमाणे प्रत्येकान ज्या मनशाक केबल घालपाची आसा ताका ज्या डिपार्टमेंटाची ओनरशीप आसा त्या डिपार्टमेंटाक अप्लाय करपाचें आनी तें एप्लिकेशन त्या डिपार्टमेंटान कन्सिडर करपाचें. आतां कितें जालां, ह्या लोकांनी अजून मेरेन अप्लाय करूंक नाशिल्ली. हालींच थोड्या लोकांनी अप्लाय केल्या आनी ती एप्लिकेशनां कन्सिडर करपाक जाय डिपार्टमेंटांनी त्यो परमिट्स दिवपाक जाय तांकां, आनी ताजेर लायसन्स फी मंथली फारीक करपाक जाय. हो एक विशय आसा. पण ताजे पयलीं आनी एक विशय असो आसा की 2021 सालान ह्या लोकांनी जे केबल घातला पळय न्ही, ताका कांयच परमिशन घेवना गव्हर्मेंटा कडल्यान, आनी ताका गव्हर्मेंटाचें कांय रेंटूय फारीक करना. तरी केस जेन्ना आयज हायकोर्टान आयली तेन्ना आमी अशें सांगलें की ह्या लोकांनी पयलीं थोडे पयशे तरी डेपॉजीट करुनी, पार्शियल डेपॉजीट करुनी आमी तांची एप्लिकेशनां प्रोसेस करता, आनी जे तांचो एरियर्स आसा पळय तो फुडें आमी डिसायड करता कितलो तांणी एरियर्स फारीक करपाचो आसा. ह्या विशयाचेर आज हियरींग अशें जालें, आनी आतां तें फुडें ती जी पार्टी आसा पळय, जें एसोसिएशन आसा तें हायकोर्टाक इन्फॉर्मेशन दिवपाचें आसा की तांचे मेंबर्स कितले आसा, तांचे कितले पोल्स यूज करता ते, ही सगळी इन्फॉर्मेशन ते दिवपाची आसा. ताजे बरोबर आमी आतां आमच्या तर्फे ते जे लोक आसा पळय न्ही, तांचे एसोसिएशन कोर्टान आयला, तांचे कडल्यान तांच्या संबंदी म्हायती गोळा करता. ते आमी म्हायती करून आनी तांचे मेंबर्स कितले आसा आनी तांचे एरियर्स कितले आसा हें फायंड आवट करतले, आनी कोर्टाक त्या प्रमाणे फुडलें इन्फॉर्मेशन.
पण एज पर
See, as far as the rules are concerned, there are rules which require them two things to do. One is permission was required. Secondly, they have to pay the money to the government. Both things were not happening.
how much it could come to the government?
No, in each case it differs.
Differs, but roughly कितले होऊ शकते?
See, every pole, if you are using one pole, you are supposed to pay 300 rupees to the government.
Per month or what it is like that?
Per month.
Okay.
So that is not happening, but they had not taken any permission. That is a major default.
So that means default of money paying to the government is there.
Not only that, there was no permission that was granted. So
आणि त्यांचे कितें आउटस्टँडिंग कितें उरल्यार दिसता न्ही.
there are arrears.
हय.
So जो officer कितें करता ते was acting in the
There
right
was
way.
nothing wrong in that. Therefore, the High Court did not grant them any relief. But at the same time, we have to see this is an essential service. See, what is happening is people are suffering ultimately. So we have to balance the equities. Okay, we have to see that in one hand we have to recover the money which is due to us. Secondly, at the same time, we should see that the people are not impacted.
So one
we
side.
are adopting a balanced approach where the exchequer is also secured as well as the people are not prejudiced.
So one side people should not be suffering, and second side they have to pay to the
The
government,
revenue has to be protected.
and that will have to
That
come.
will happen. That will happen.
Okay.
So how
Second,
much time limit the government is giving for them for this?
See, normally under the rules, 30 days time is required for the purpose of decision on those applications.